सो म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट एक तरह का अलाइनमेंट शो करता है अगर हम उसको ठीक से चेक करें. लाइक लेट्स से अ गिटार इज देयर और लेट्स से अ सितार इज देयर. सो इट shows a alignment of all the wires. If we use all the wires of a guitar in a specific way, in a proper way, so they are completely connected with each other, they're completely aligned with each other.
VMV, good energy and good life.
Our today's video is all about for the ones who are in the field of music or who uses any kind of musical instrument as their hobby or as their profession. So basically, first of all, we need to understand the idea of what does musical instrument symbolizes. एक म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट क्या सिम्बलाइजेस करता है, वो हम किस तरीके से यूज़ कर रहे हैं एज अ हॉबी और एज अ प्रोफेशन. सो म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट एक तरह का अलाइनमेंट शो करता है अगर हम उसको ठीक से चेक करें. लाइक लेट्स से अ गिटार इज देयर और लेट्स से अ सितार is there. So it shows a alignment of all the wires. If we use all the wires of a guitar in a specific way, in a proper way, so they are completely connected with each other, they're completely aligned with each other. So एक musical instrument एक तरह का अलाइनमेंट शो करता है, एक तरह की कंप्लीटनेस शो करता है. सो वी कैन यूज दिस काइंड ऑफ सिंबल टू एनहेंस आवर स्किल्स. सो वी कैन यूज दिस काइंड ऑफ सिंबल इन साउथ वेस्ट डायरेक्शन बिकॉज साउथ वेस्ट इज अ डायरेक्शन ऑफ स्किल्स. So if we want to enhance our skills in any kind of musical instrument, so we can use or we can place this kind of symbol in our southwest direction to have good results from it, to enhance our skills, to sharpen our skills. Then we can use this kind of symbol in the north also. Why not? Because north creates opportunities. प्लेसिंग आ म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट इन दी नॉर्थ डायरेक्शन, अगर हम नॉर्थ डायरेक्शन में इस किसी भी तरह के म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट को प्लेस करते हैं तो उन लोगों के लिए अच्छा है जो इस प्रोफेशन में है, who earn by using this kind of musical instrument. So we place any kind of instrument in the north side. So it creates opportunity, it creates money opportunity for them. So we can use this kind of symbol in the north also, or we can place this kind of symbol in the north side also. With this, the other direction for placing or for having musical instrument is in west direction. West direction is a direction of gains. It converts your efforts into gains or into returns. So if you are in a profession or if you are having a hobby of playing any kind of musical instrument or wanted to have gains from it, wanted to learn in a very good way, so you can use or you can place, आप उधर use कर सकते हैं, उधर practice कर सकते हैं या फिर उधर place कर सकते हैं अपनी musical instrument को to have maximum benefit from this kind of musical instrument or this kind of music related symbol. Then there are some kind of directions which always to be avoided of positive symbol or good symbol or skill sort of symbol by placing this kind of symbol in the disposal zone and in the churning zone or in the depression zone. Let's take an example. If you place a musical instrument in a depression zone, so what you feel is you won't feel to have to play this kind of symbol. You won't feel happy to use this kind of symbol in your daily life. So always avoid this kind of symbol by placing in these two directions. Then you can use this kind of symbol in the southeast also if you are in the profession of music. So in this way you can have benefit of having a musical instrument or placing a musical instrument or doing practice of this kind of musical instrument in all kind of zones.